A few days ago, I was watching some video on YouTube and a pop-up, an ad showed up, and I can't remember exactly what product the ad was pushing, but it started out with the usual, if you want an easy way to do so and so. And it occurred to me that, this is I think, in my opinion, a disservice that's done to a lot of people. Yes, our society has reached a stage where you can sell a lot more if you tell people that this is an easy way to do this, but from my experience, if it were really easy to lose weight, if it were really easy to get washboard abs, if it were really easy to make $1 million, everybody would be doing it. The fact is, there are certain constants in the universe, and one of them is that, it takes work to get things done. And especially when it comes to your health, if you haven't grown up in a society where good eating habits were the norm and that were trained into you, then it's going to take effort. It's going to take work. It's going to take commitment. It's going to take discipline. It's going to take, it's not going to be easy. So what I am suggesting on my channel and in these videos is not an easy way to do things. It is what I believe is an effective way to achieve certain goals, but you have to be willing to put in the work. You have to be willing to do things that other people aren't willing to do. You have to be willing to find the discipline and the courage. Now, if you've always had a challenge with being, consistent, then perhaps there are other, perhaps therapy might be in order to get beyond certain blocks. But the bottom line is it's going to be a challenge. I'm not promising an easy way out. What I'm promising are perhaps thoughts and ideas that might trigger you to find the courage and find the discipline in order to achieve what it is you'd like to achieve, whether it's on this channel with your health, whether it's on the Passion Profit channel with starting your own business and generating money. There is a time commitment, there is a focus, there is discipline that's required in order to achieve what it is you want to achieve. Always remember, if it were really that easy, then many others would be doing, everybody would be doing it. The other thing I'd like to suggest is if the easy way that you're looking for to achieve your goal is to pop pills, let's say you have a particular health goal that you're pursuing. If the easy way out that you're looking for is to pop pills, trust me, there are going to be side effects. There are going to be downsides. Anything that's unnatural, any pharmaceutical, any drug that you put into your system that's not natural, that not created by nature, is going to have side effects. So there will be downsides for you seeking that particular solution. And it's usually never a real solution. Is just masking symptoms, or it's just giving you a false sense of progress, but there will be downsides to it. So again, if it were easy, everybody would be doing it. So be prepared to work hard and to commit and to persist in order to achieve your goals.